Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Ryan. Thanks for watching today.
Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to our English bus stop lesson today.
Today you will learn simple English for buses and asking for help.
This lesson is mostly A1 level, with some easy B1 sentences later.
Please subscribe to our channel and click like if this lesson helps you.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from.
Hi Jessica, good morning. Are you waiting for the number 20 bus?
Good morning, Ryan. Yes, I think the stop is for bus 20.
Let me check the time. Our class starts at 9:30, right?
Yes, 9:30. The schedule says the bus comes at 9:10.
It is already 9 o'clock. I do not see any bus coming.
Maybe the bus is late today. Many buses are late in the morning.
Wait, this timetable shows Saturday and Sunday at the top in bold.
Oh no, I read the weekend times. Today is Monday, not Saturday.
Here's the weekday column. It says bus 20 at 8:50.
So the weekday bus already left. Did we also choose the wrong stop?
Let us walk a little. Maybe the correct stop is nearby.
Good idea. The map shows another bus stop on this street.
This sign shows bus 10 and bus 12, but not bus 20.
So this is also wrong. I really feel confused about these routes.
We should ask someone for help. Guessing is not working at all.
You are right. Asking clearly is better than feeling stressed and late.
You can say, "Excuse me, does bus 20 stop here, please?"
Or you can ask, which stop is for bus 20 to downtown?
Let us return to the main bus stop and ask the driver.
Yes, we can practice our questions and check the information carefully.
The bus is here now. I will ask the driver first.
Okay, I will listen carefully and check I understand the answer.
Excuse me, does bus 20 to Green Street stop at this bus stop?
And is this the right bus if we go to the language school?
The driver says our stop is on the other side of this road.
So we must cross, then wait at the opposite stop for bus 20.
When you get information, repeat it back. Say, "So you mean this?"
This simple step avoids many problems. Clarifying is an important communication skill.
Let us go to the other side now and not miss the next bus.
Yes, this time we know the correct stop and correct direction clearly.
This timetable shows bus 20 at 9:20. We are still on time.
Great. The stop name matches the driver's words, so it feels correct now.
We were at the wrong stop and read the wrong times, but we learned.
Yes. Now I know to check weekday and weekend, and always confirm directions.
Now we are finally on bus 20 going to our language school.
On the bus, you can also ask, where should I get off?
Thank you for learning with us today. Please subscribe and see you next time. Goodbye, Jessica.
Thank you, everyone. Practice these bus phrases and stay safe. Goodbye, Ryan. Goodbye, friends. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Negative with do not. See plus minusing shows ongoing. Maybe the bus is late today. Maybe hedges. Softer tone. I read the weekend times. Past simple. Completed action. Today is Monday, not Saturday. Not Mark's contrast. Did we also choose the wrong stop? Use did for past questions. Let us walk a little. Inclusive suggestion. Maybe the correct stop is nearby. Nearby means close in distance. We should ask someone for help. Should equals softer advice. We must cross must equal strong obligation. Excuse me, polite opener before asking. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Does bus 20 stop here, please? Please softens the request. Which stop is for bus 20? Which question asks for details? I will ask the driver first. Will for instant decisions. Check I understand the answer. 0 that is natural. When you get information, time clause with when. Repeat it back. Imperative for clarity. So you mean this? Confirm by repeating. This simple step avoids many problems. Present simple for general advice. Clarifying is an important gerund as the subject. We are still on time. Fixed phrase meaning punctual. I will show when to use them in real life. Good morning, Ryan. Where should I get off? Should makes the question polite. Greeting with comma plus name. Are you waiting? Present continuous for now. I think this stop is for bus 20. I think softens the opinion. Let me check the time. Polite offer to take action. Our class starts at 9:30, right? Present simple for timetables. Right? Is a confirmation tag. It is already 9 o'clock. I do not see any bus coming.